Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of CRM software, comparing two major players, HubSpot and Bitrix24. As businesses seek efficient tools to manage their operations, choosing the right CRM can be a game changer. On one hand, we have HubSpot, a household name known for its inbound marketing solutions and robust CRM functionalities. And on the other, Bitrix24 with its comprehensive suite of tools, including CRM, project management, and collaboration features. So, which one suits your business better? Let's find out. First up, usability. HubSpot boasts an intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate. Meanwhile, Bitrix24 offers a wealth of features, but might have a steeper learning curve for some. Now, let's talk features. HubSpot offers a broad range of marketing, sales, and service tools, perfect for smaller businesses looking for simplicity. Bitrix24, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive suite, great for larger enterprises needing extensive functionality under one roof. Next, customization. HubSpot allows for easy customization and scalability, but Bitrix24 provides a higher level of flexibility, allowing users to tailor the system extensively to fit specific needs. Moving on to integration, HubSpot seamlessly integrates with various third-party apps, simplifying workflow. Bitrix24, known for its all-in-one approach, offers its own array of tools but might have limitations in integrating with some external software. Now, let's not forget about pricing. HubSpot offers various plans, including a free version with options to scale up as your business grows. Bitrix24 also has a free tier and different pricing tiers based on the number of users and features required. In conclusion, both HubSpot and Bitrix24 have their strengths and cater to different business needs. HubSpot might be more user-friendly for smaller businesses focusing on marketing and sales, while Bitrix24 shines for larger enterprises seeking a comprehensive suite of tools. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your business size, specific needs, and how you prioritize features and usability. We recommend taking advantage of their free trials to see which platform aligns best with your goals. That wraps up our comparison between HubSpot and Bitrix24. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into business tools and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.